Di naman ako tibo. Ba't ko magugustuhan tong movie na to? Ay yun na nga yun eh. Nagustuhan ko pa rin yung movie kahit di ako tibo eh. Ano meaning nun? Meaning nun, it speaks to the human experience. Wow. And no boring parts, sobrang swabe nung storyline. Sobrang relatable niya. And for me, if you're not looking at it from a queer lens, it's a love story eh. Pero it's more dynamic than the conventional heteronormative love story. It's very emotional. It's about friendship. It's about relationships. It's about trust. It's about a lot of things eh. Merong scenes yung movie where naramdaman ko na to before, or I've been put in this situation where I could empathize with the characters. For me, it becomes less of a film about lesbians, pero it's more of a film about experiencing love in its various stages, in its various forms. And that's what makes this film very powerful. It doesn't isolate the experience. Grabe yung chemistry ng barkada nila. Played by Janela Salvador, Jasmine Curtis Smith, Clea Pineda, and Lian Mamono. Ang strong ng hatak nila na parang tipong, ay wow, sana may barkada akong ganun. Though not really to the level na lahat kayo magkaka-ex, no? I think that's the big question this movie is trying to ask. This portrayal, I think I've never seen before in Philippine cinema. And it's an interesting thought exercise, no? If something like that could work. Medyo na nakakatawa eh. Kasi this is one of my favorites sa Cinemalaya. Parang medyo nagigilty ako kasi yung ibang kalaban, may ina-address na societal issue. Ano lang to eh, hashtag away tomboy eh. Pero it's up there for me. And it's because sobrang engaging niya. It's so funny, it's so relatable. To a point na I think this would be a fan favorite for the years to come. Siya yung tipong nilalagay sa pegboard, no? Sasabihin ng mga tao. It defined a part of my personality. It's relevant in its own way. It's not really comparable dun sa ibang heavy yung commentary about society. But I think this is a very important and it's a landmark film for the lesbian community as well. So isipin nyo na lang yung impact ng movie na to sa akin. Tipong nandun na ako sa dulo ng movie, invested ako. Ay, hindi nga pala ako lesbian, na friend sa exes ko. I forgot. Alam mo yung ganong level ng immersion na parang wow. So it speaks a lot to the human experience. Dahil dyan, ang score ng open endings ay... So don't forget to follow, like, and share. Kasi kung hindi, kuklose ko yung endings nyo.